welcome back to Code and German. As today we are doing the topic of Hauptsatz on Nebensatz, and we even say we are doing the topic of connectors like on, oder, aber, and then, like and, but, or, and, because. Okay, so these are the connector which connects two lines, first line with second line. Okay, so we take an example जैसे ich bin in Korn und ich mache ein Praktikum. It's simple. It's coordinating conjunction. So coordinating conjunction doesn't affect the position of verb. Position of verb remains same after you use conjunction. Like ich bin in on und you are using on means and ich mache ein Praktikum. I am doing a Praktikum. It's practicum. Practical. Ich telefoniere oder ich arbeite am Computer. I telephone that person, oder means or I work on computer. The firma is klein, the firm is small, aber, but sie hat viele Kunden. Sie have viele customers. Kunden means customers. And the Stadt is tall. The city is great because man hat viele Machen. Viel Machen. Man kann viel machen. Tut mir leid. Because the people of city are doing a lot. So you know a single thing that when you are using on, oder, aber, or then, the position of verb remains same on the second place. Okay, so we're doing some exercise. Abendprogramm verbinden Sie die Sätze. So verbinden means connect. You have to just connect the sentence. Wollen wir heute ins Kino gehen? Would we today ins Kino gehen? Or im Restaurant essen? Would we go to a cinema or in dinner at restaurant? Ich habe heute Mittag leider keine Zeit. I have today Mittag. Unfortunately, I have today Mittag, no time. So, unfortunately, I'm not coming because I don't have time. So, what's the answer? Bringen wir Bremen mit? It's not. Sie hat uns eingeladen. Heute Abend muss ich auch arbeiten. Okay, so it's it's with on, and answer is second. Dann gehe ich heute allein ins Kino. Its answer is F. You are going alone in sorry, I am going alone in cinema and on we are using on. Morgen Abend kommst du mit? Okay. Uh, tomorrow evenings, are you willing to come with me? Is that okay? And for fourth, morgen macht Carla ein Party. And the fourth is sie hat uns eingeladen. Invited us. So there are three connectors: un, oder, and aber. Um, you can use it as you want. Okay, so it's not like that I am using on, oder, or aber. It's according to my own personal conception or my personal concepts, and your concepts are some different, or your thinking are also different, so you can use it by yourself. Schenken wir ihr ein Buch. Schenken means to send. Or we can use give. Let's give you a book. Okay, so the answer is bringen wir Blumen mit. Blumen means flower. Ich habe schon ein Busch für sie gekauft. Okay, so answer is wir können auch noch Blumen kaufen. And the answer varies according to the different connector that you are using. So coming on the next topic, it's warum sollen die Person das machen? Is why should the person do that? Why should the person do that? Verbinden Sie die Sätze mit denn, oder, aber. You just have to connect the sentence with because or because, oder, aber, or aber. Aber means but, because or but. So there are always two lines. The first line is Hauptsatz, Haupt, Satz, and the second line is Nebensatz. And we are connect. We say we are connected this with the conjugation. With coordinating conjugation like un, oder, aber. The position of verb will not change. So keep that thing in mind. Like we take an example, Miriam mush mehr lernen. Sie hat schlechte Noten. Schlechte means bad. Noten means not. She had bad not. So Miriam mush. On the second point, Pascal möchte noch einen Sprache lernen. Aber means but. But he has no time. Pascal would like ein Sprache lerner, a language learning, but he has no time. So Robert will weniger arbeiten. So the meaning of weniger is less. Robert will work less. We use then, because schlafen means to sleep, he sleep oftenly. Schlecht means bad. Ines muss mehr zu Haus kochen. Because sie gibt so viel Geld ins Restaurants aus. So the verb we are using is ausgeben. Okay, aus geben conjugation gibt. Marco möchte seine Eltern besuchen. Marco would like to visit her parents. Aber but ihr bekommen to get. Aber ihr get keinen Urlaub. He will get no Urlaub means holiday. So this is the concept of coordinating conjunction, in which we are using on, oder, aber, and then. So there are so many exercises or so many PDFs you will get from PDF Coffee with different authors and different regelmäßig exercise. Okay, so it's totally depend upon your practice. In the finals, I'm just saying, in coordinating conjunction, the verb or the position of verb will not be changed. Okay, so after that we are doing subordinating conjunction, and for that time, best part.